So to take out the radiator is pretty simple. There'll be a hose from here to the filter box. You take that off. You've got your upper radiator hose. Take that out. You'll have this hose to the radiator running all the way to your coolant reservoir. You want to drain all that, drain everything. Pull off the hose. For my particular car, there was an 8mm socket on the fan shroud, so I took that out. And so next, I removed a 10mm bolt. This is at the top of the radiator, as you can see. I removed the 10mm bolt here, and a 10mm bolt here, in the same spot on the opposite side. So before removing the radiator, one of the final steps is to remove the lower radiator hose. I've heard of some models having a transmission line attached to the radiator, but don't worry about that right now. Let's just get everything disconnected. And for my Ford Ranger, that's all you really had to do to get the radiator disconnected. You literally just pull it right out.